Hi guys, I'm Ginger Al, and this is week 4 of week 14 of my training plan. It's not going the greatest this week. So I started off, went away with work, plenty of time up in the hotel, sort of went to the sauna, jacuzzi, really really good, really relaxing, really chilled out. Then on the Tuesday, woke up nice and early, 5:30, hit the gym, done a bit of 2-mile warm up on the treadmill, and then done some fart legs. It was 4 times 400 meters with a 200 meters cool down in between, which was really good. And then that evening, perhaps I shouldn't have done it, but I went out with Hengoid Harriers and done another 3.5 miles with put some hills in there. Wednesday felt really tight in my back. Not the greatest, to be fair, so I rested. I didn't do the cross training. Thursday morning, woke up in absolute agony with my back again. So I'm thinking perhaps I didn't give enough time for healing. A bit of a devastation really. So then Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday I didn't do anything, being quite bad with my back, really painful. So I'm just going to rest now, see how I go for the rest of the week, and hopefully to get some strength work in there. Get to the gym, just try and build the back up. So if I've got nothing to record next week, what I'll probably do is do a review. So I'll either do a review on one of my pairs of trainers, or I'll do a review on a couple of my head torches. So comment below, guys, if there's anything you want. I've got a pair of La Sportiva Mutants, the Hocker Speed Goat 2, or I've got 2 Unilight headlamps. So if you want me to review any of those, just comment below and subscribe, guys. I'm sorry there's not a lot to show you this week. Hopefully the back will get better. Thanks guys, I'm Ginger Al. Thanks for watching.